to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sino na? Okay. May we know the name of the Ma'am Evelyn. Okay, thank you so much.
Sige po, bago po tayo mag-start, let us...
Nakasama-sama. Ayan, tayo po tayong lahat. Okay. Magkakaroon po tayo ng photo op table per table. A glass of water here for the celebrant. Gabriel, ayan. Oh, okay. Ayun. Ay, yun naman pala. His favorite color ang blue. Yes. Blue siya naman pala. Okay. Here's to good health, happiness, love.
Birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Tingnan. Oh.
Ganda. Ganda ko. Na.
Stop. Sabay, sapa. Lakad ulit. 1, 2, 3. Galing yung mami mo. Tingin sa ibang side. Good. Okay. Good.